Here in this example, we have an example of Lennox air conditioning. To know your tonnage, divide this number by 12. 12 stands for 12,000 BTU. So 30 divided by 12 equals 2.5 tons. So this nameplate is 2.5 tons. If your AC is 5 tons, it should be 60 here. 60 divided by 12 equals 5 tons. Our next topic is model number identification. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that every time I will upload a new video, you will be updated. And also, check my other interview questions and answer on my playlist. This is a good reference for your family and friends like electrical, mechanical, automotive, plumbing, and engineering. And also, I have other video on my playlist like electrical reviewer. This is good for students and for electrical practitioner, apprentice preparing for their test for the company. And also on my other playlist, I have robotics like ABB and FANUC and hydraulic pneumatics. 10 AHA is the type. AH stands for air handling. For U stands for upflow. D stands for downflow. The next letter is V. V stands for variable speed. The next one is 24. 24 stands for tonnage. In our previous discussion, we are just going to divide the 24 by 12 in order to get the actual tonnage. So in this case, 24 divided by 12 is equals 2 tons. The next is 230 is voltages. 230 volts single phase. If this one is 460, that means it's a 3-phase. The next is 2 or phase. If it is 3, bleed forth indoor, TXV. TXV stands for thermostatic expansion valve. The next letter is T is techno code. Now let's proceed to conversion from ton to horsepower. Note, 1 ton is equals to 4.714 horsepower. For example, in this case, we have 5 tons equals 4.714 horsepower divided by 1 ton. So we're going to cancel the tons. So the answer is 23.25 horsepower. This is equals to 5 tons. Next, how to convert ton to watts. Our example here is 5 tons. Note, 1 ton is equals 3.516 kilowatt or 3,516 watts. 5 tons equals 3,516 watts over 1 ton. So we're going to cancel the tons. 17,580 watts or 17.5 kilowatt. Next, how to convert kilowatt to horsepower. Our example here is 15 kilowatt. Kilowatt is the unit of electric power. And horsepower is a unit of power equal to 550 foot-pounds per second or 745.7 watts. Given 1 horsepower is equals 746 watts. 1 kilowatt is equals 1,000 joules per second. Answer, 15,000 watts times 1 horsepower over 746 watts. We are going to cancel the watts. So it should be 15,000 divided by 746. 15,000 divided by 746 equals 20 horsepower.